It's a 2003 Cadillac DeVille. DeVille is a name as synonymous with Cadillac as Cadillac is with luxury. Features include AM/FM satellite prep radio, heated leather bucket seats, selective service internet access, aluminum wheels, North Star engine, adaptive suspension, Bose sound system, dual zone climate control, automatic suspension management, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com notes the majority of the controls are easy to decipher and build quality is generally good. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Baglier Buick GMC. Browse our inventory online or in person, or swing by our award-winning service department today. You can find us just to the south of downtown Butler on Pittsburgh Road.